Hi, I'm Greg,
My name is Dennis.
and we're the co-founders of Grapplemax Pro Wrestling.
9 years. There are many reasons we shouldn't have gotten here. There are many reasons for us to blow up, close down along the way, but by some miracle, here we are. So it feels great. It feels great.
I think we've had what's looking to be a big milestone year for us in 2025, but I think the journey here has been some of the biggest challenges ever faced by any startup. On a show-to-show basis, I think one thing we can take away for sure from running events in Singapore is that every single show is a potential hardship. That's the scariest part, right? Because Singapore is not exactly a massive local entertainment hub, nor is it like all about sports. And we're trying to sort of push this hybrid of like sports entertainment here in Singapore.
So there's like 10 hardships a year, at least.
At least. Like this year was 15, right? And every show we run, we plan the best structure, the best name, the best concept, the best venues. But until the tickets go live, we never know for sure if this is going to be a success or a massive hardship. I think we're very, very fortunate for the last few months to see some very good traction, but I think that really is one of the biggest challenges we go through all the time with running this business.
Another challenge is the number one business killer in Singapore is rent, right? So your monthly operating stuff, you got to figure that out. If you can't make the rent, that's it, you're dead. This was a hard year for many businesses. A lot of F&B places closed down, a lot of entertainment venues shutter up. Sometimes we come really dangerously close to that too, but I would say for now, you're still gonna get your Unity show.
Especially our good friends at the projector, right? We really try our best to keep the mission running, and we really hope that that mission is what keeps people coming back to our shows, to keep pro wrestling in Singapore alive and thriving in the future. On the other side of the shows as potential hardships, I think every single show when we finish it, like that sense of completion, that sense of teamwork. I was telling the guys just after WrestlePaga last week, coming back from that show, the morale was so high. As a football guy, it felt like your team just like won a massive game that they weren't expected to win. Everyone came back to the studio to build the ring, to eat together, to celebrate. And I think that really is the key part that makes like the Grapplemax experience so unique, where every single person sees this as a team project, as a community project.
On to Greg's point, community is a big deal here. Look, 9 years is a long time. 9 years is a very long time, and a lot of life can take place within 9 years. So we've seen some of our wrestlers go from pre-NS to serving their national service, to finishing school, to getting married, and some of them have kids. YC's kid is 1 year old. Wilson was joining us just after he left NS. Now we have the D-Gen Z that he's guiding, that little annoying stable of his. I like them, by the way. They're all serving the NS now. So different stages in life, we see all of it, It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I think the craziest thing is that you have everyone going through different phases in their life, but then they all come together despite where they came from to put together this whole series of shows as a team project. I think that is just so unique for a wrestling company, especially for Grapplemax. We went through a ton of names. I think the list was like 20 names long potentially, right? A lot of like very aggro, very macho kind of...
Very typical indie wrestling kind of names.
Something that stuck with me was a lot of fans told us that you can't really explain what a Grapplemax show is until you've been to one. And we realized that the one thing which got us through all these 9 years, through all the hardships and the difficulties we went through, was everybody working together. And when you went on the entire list, every single name we struck it off, the one name that just made the most sense and could communicate to the fans was Unity.
Unity is more than just one person or one stable even. It's everyone coming together to put on a show for the audience. And the audience are also part of this show, right? I mean, they are the reason why we've gotten to where we are today. Many of them have become personal friends, and it's a success for everyone to enjoy together.
The fans, they can always choose where they want to go, right? But over all these years, they've always chosen to come back and get behind all these local or homegrown talent who are just regular guys like you and me, or like the guys behind the camera. And these fans have chosen to stand behind these wrestlers to help to push this whole production forward. And again, that's why we think Unity is the only name we could have chosen for this show. Unity, I think, when it comes down to it, definitely our biggest show of the year. Every show we say is always a big swing for us. This is our biggest one yet, right? It's a brand new venue for us, one of our biggest crowds we're ever targeting. and one of our most ambitious cards, top to bottom. We really hope that whether you're coming from someone who is brand new to the Grapplemax culture, or someone who has been supporting us for years and years and years, there's something here for you to not just take away for yourself, but to communicate to your friends and family why pro wrestling here in Singapore, and through Grapplemax especially, is such an exciting place to be right now.
A long time ago, Greg and I agreed that we, as the founders of this company, should not always be hogging the main spotlight of every show, you know. The promotion should not exist to elevate ourselves or our career. And that's when we see our own trainees, the ones that we've trained over the last 9 years, now taking on like main event spots, driving the main storylines. This is what we opened this company for.
Our 9th anniversary really is, you know, a massive celebration of where we've come, but also a great sign of where we intend to bring this moving forward. So, you know, 22nd November, we hope to see you at Unity.
See you at Unity.